This is Viking. We're gonna hit that! Right, are you ready?
Where do you think I can go?
Oh shit!
Oh, let's do it now!
What's up, drivers? Welcome to 6 Minute Saturdays. I'm your host, Dashcam Hull. Let's see what's been happening in Hull since the last one. Ronny Pickering is alive. Why is that news? Well, because false articles about Hull's most infamous driver began circulating social media saying that he had passed away from a heart attack. His family have since confirmed that he is in fact alive and well, and find it absolutely despicable that these rumours would even take place. Which, yeah, I mean, it's just a prank, bruh. But then the prank is, imagine that you log on to Facebook and see that everyone's saying that your granddad is dead. Yeah, not so funny now, is it? Do better, people, come on. I think it's fitting that we start out by handing out the award for this month's donkeys.
You f***ing donkey!
Apologies for this one being old news. I haven't felt like making many videos yet this year. Life stuff has happened, it's been a whole thing, let's not talk about it right now. So I'm playing catch up now basically, but today's first donkey award goes to a driving instructor. Now this clip originally got posted to YouTube, but after I saw it and I took note of the fact that she seemed to be blaming this incident on drugs in the description of the video, I, as the comedic genius that I am, commented asking if she was the one on drugs for driving across the mini roundabout. The video was very swiftly deleted afterwards. Make of that what you will.
God, are you fucking crazy?
But thankfully evidence of it was found on other social platforms where I was able to get the footage to Ashley Neal for him to give his 2 pence on it. There's nothing more I can say that's going to rub any more salt in any wounds, but this is extraordinarily poor both in terms of skill and attitude coming from a driving instructor.
Are you fucking crazy?
Today's second donkey award goes to a pedestrian, and this absolutely boils my piss. This woman's reaction to letting her dogs just wander into the road just screams bad pet owner. Yeah, let's freak out at the driver who's already stopping because you can't be arsed to put your dogs on the leads that are in your fucking pocket. And breathe, Charles. Let's upset those of you in the comments who are oddly very vocal against Americanisms by once again helping SpongeBob with his essay on what not to do at a stoplight.
Oh, did you hear that? What not to do at a stoplight?
Seriously though, I don't get why this upsets people so much. It's literally just the way it's worded in a SpongeBob episode. It's a joke. Chill. Parking in the middle of the road is quite a unique answer for what not to do at a stoplight, but clearly also not an incorrect answer. This clip was amusingly titled, "Thank you for budging up so my camera can see you are on your phone."
Video protected.
Quite a common one this, and pretty self-explanatory. Personally, I always save the looks check and the makeup for when I've already arrived at my destination. Final one today, also from Geeky Ads, is the dude behind him performing a striptease. Again, also probably better not doing this at a traffic light. There, I said it. Are we happy now? Now it's time to take a look at some viewers' mistakes, and each of these viewers have sent these clips in knowing full well that they could have done better. This first one from Azza, incident-wise, is entirely the fault of the Citroen. It's one thing to get confused not knowing which lane you need, and fair play to Azza for holding his hands up for this, but it's a whole other thing to perform a manoeuvre that mirrors that of a desperate criminal in a police chase. This was simply beyond stupid. Geeky Ads is the next camera up with some undue hesitancy. He definitely had enough time to clear here in my opinion, but as you lot know, I've recently really been banging on about the fact that if you're unsure, just stop. Thankfully the bus driver has no issue, and tons of patience. TR Space Down now with a classic case of catching under braking, and ending up with brown pants.
Oops.
Video protected.
That scared me.
Final clip today is also from Azza. And the car in front quite likely has their plate registered for automatic payments, but they're still so impatient that they come atoms away from their windscreen needing a bariectomy. But anyway, that's all we've got time for today. If you like this video, please give it a like, please give me a sub, please click on the notification bell, and of course, check out the links in the description to save yourself some money on a dash cam, join me on my other socials, join the Patreon for some fantastic perks such as having your name here. You can also earn free merch if you're a member over there for long enough on certain tiers. But thanks so much for watching, and we'll have another chinwag really soon. Peace!
One. It's all good. It's all good. Next time, 2.